Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So we will be checking that what is exactly happening in this connection. What do you need to know about this connection? So whomsoever um, you are thinking about, it's going to be a collective reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's begin with the reading. Let's see what is happening in this connection. Okay. Okay. So starting with your energy, so I do feel that you guys are really waiting for this person. Okay, you people are actually missing your person. You people are actually waiting कि ये person आए. You want this person to text you. You want this person to initiate a conversation with you, because I think you are waiting, but at the same time you are missing them. But you know very well that you do not have to reach out to them. Okay, you have that understanding now finally, that you don't have to fix anyone. You don't have to be the bigger person. You don't have to be the giver and stuff like that. Now you are more in your receptive energy, and I think it is kind of difficult for you to become a receiver. God is really testing your patience. They think how much patience you really have when it comes to this whole connection and when it comes to this person, because I do feel that you still want this person. I do feel that you want a happy ending with this person. Some of you still feel that this person is my twin flame. No matter what, मुझे इसी person के साथ जाना है and stuff. But you are also understanding the major part of a twin flame relationship. I don't really like to call it twin flame relationship, but any relationship for that matter, waiting is something which is very important, especially for the feminine energy. Okay, so most of you would be in your feminine energy. If you're someone who is not giving, if you're someone who's not trying to reach out to this person, yes, energetically you might be trying to reach out to this person, but other than that, I don't see you really texting them or calling them or doing anything to gain their attention, or using all those unhealthy feminine traits and stuff like that. Okay, that is there. Second, I also feel that you are actually putting a lot of efforts. बहुत ज़्यादा कहीं ना कहीं करेज लग रहा है टू रियली टेम दैट ईगो, टू रियली टेम दैट माइंड. ओके, आई थिंक यू आर बिकमिंग मोर एंड मोर spiritual, and the more spiritual you become, the more self control you have. The more spiritual you become, the more you will be able to tame your ego, your mind. Okay, these animal instincts, these different kind of feelings, because some of you are really getting turned on. Okay, I see this energy of pleasure and this energy of sensuality. Sexual energy is really high right now. Some of you are probably ovulating as well, all the females who are watching. So these different kind of feelings and chemical reactions, it's all making you go crazy, to the extent where you feel like texting this person, where you feel like talking to this person, but then at the same time you have that kind of discernment that no, I'm not going to do that. No, I'm not going to reach out to this person. Whereas if I talk about your person, I think that it has been very difficult for your person to really move out from certain things or conflicts that happened with you. Okay, this person they had a really bad time when it comes to coming out of this relationship, and finally there's a cycle which is coming to an end in this person's life, जहाँ पे भी ये पर्सन कहीं ना कहीं ये पर्सन एक ऐसे उसमें रहे हैं सिचुएशन में, और probably in that spot where their pain was their pleasure. They started to become a victim. Oh, I can't do this, you know, I really love you but I can't put this at stake. Oh, I do this and blah blah blah. That kind of victim energy, and that is coming to an end, and it is coming to an end after a really long time. After great suffering, something is coming to an end, and this is probably this phase जहाँ पे इनको ये realize हो रहा है that they have been taking certain decisions, they have been acting out in a way where they could have taken better decisions, where they could have acted better, where they could have been a better human being to you, where they could have been a better partner to you. But ये सब चीज़ इनको realize तब तक नहीं होती जब तक इनकी लाइफ में सफरिंग नहीं आती. सो इट वॉज मेंट टू बी देयर. इफ probably अगर आप नहीं होते, it would have been someone else, or it would have been some other situation, probably through their work, probably some. So I do think that this person has taken a lot of their lessons when it comes to taking the right actions at the right time. Okay, that is there. And other than that also, I do think that this person has some kind of rage towards this connection and rage towards you, so they are wanting to give justice to themselves also. I don't think that right now your person really is into this relationship, or they are wanting to do something actively about this relationship, because first they want to give justice to themselves. There and it's not that they are blaming you or anything, they are blaming themselves, but they have some kind of rage because of what happened in the relationship, and now they are in this zone where they are beginning a new journey in their life where they want to give justice to themselves. Okay, where they also want to it's, I also feel I'm getting this message that they are ready to accept all the bad karma as well. Okay, something is happening in their life where they want to make amendments, but by accepting the punishments from the universe. एक वो एनर्जी दिख रही है, ओके अगर मुझे इस चीज़ से ये कर्मा बैलेंस होगा, देन आई एम अप फॉर इट. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस कर्मा, आई एम गोइंग टू सफर दिस, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस दिस. सो राइट नाउ योर पर्सन इज इन दैट एनर्जी वेर दे वॉन्ट टू क्लीन all the karmas, all the bad karmas that they have done to you, they have done to others, and this is what is happening in this person's life. Okay, and which is why probably this person is not coming to you, and why universe is not making this person come towards you as well, because there is divine intervention. We have the card of judgment, so that divine intervention is definitely there. And just hold on guys. So yeah, so that divine intervention is there, and it's like, if this person comes into your life a bit early, or let's say at this point of time, then you both will have to experience all these bad karmas, because your partner's energy will affect you. Whatever your partner is going through, you will go through the same thing directly or indirectly. So that is why this distance is very important, and this person is also going through certain karmas in their life. Certain karmic cycle is going on in their life where they know that they have to handle this alone. Okay, let's see what exactly is happening in this connection. So these were the energies towards you, your partner's energy towards you, and your energy towards your partner. Now let's see what is exactly happening in this connection when we talk about the union. Kundalini, oh my god, look at this. It says clearing karma. This is exactly what I just said. And we have the first card as clearing karma. Definitely a lot of karma is being cleansed, and it can probably go till September, okay, or probably 6th September is also what I see. Then it says speak your truth, and we have honor your agreement, healing separation. Okay, so like I said, that right now it's very important for this person to be away from you, and it's important for you as well. Okay, firstly, I do see that you are learning to speak your truth. Somehow you have been someone that if you will be with your partner, you will either suppress your voice, you will suppress your emotions, you might want to become like your person, you might want to become what your person is expecting you to be, and उस पूरे process में you start to lose your own identity. You lost your own individuality. Okay, and that is something that you are healing. Some of you may have certain throat chakra issues, okay, probably thyroid, a lot of cough, and anything related to ENT, okay. उस चीज से related कुछ भी issues हैं, that means there's some issue with the throat chakra, and that is getting healed. Okay, you both are on an agreement right now in your individual journeys. Your soul is meant to learn something, your person's soul is meant to learn something. Your person is definitely on a journey of personal empowerment. Okay, this person needs to, like I said, that this person has some kind of rage, okay, and this rage got triggered in this relationship where they want to give justice to themselves. So they are really focused on their empowered journey. They are really focused on their personal identity, their individual self, who they really are, what they really want, and which is why this separation is important. This separation is actually healing both of you. This separation is actually healing this relationship itself. Okay, now let me pull last few messages for the viewers. Mature man, your man is definitely becoming mature. Okay, some of you are attracting two males in your life if you are a female watching this, and if you are a male watching this, then probably your person has two males in her life. Okay, but I do see that we have main male and main female. We have the divine couple here. Okay, so whomsoever this third party is, this third party is going to be eliminated from the life. But if I talk about this couple, the main male and male female, two things are happening in your person's life. Your person is becoming emotionally mature. They are also becoming responsible. I do see for some, your person is working a lot on their abundance, be it male, female, whatever it may be, but abundance is definitely on the map. Okay, both of you, I think both of you are working on your abundance right now. One is connecting with goddess Lakshmi, okay, and one is connecting with Vishnu. That kind of energy is definitely there. Kuch logo ke liye, I also feel that probably your East Devta could be Vishnu ji, or it could be राम जी. ओके, कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे वो चीज़ लग रही है. इट विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर यू इफ़ यू कनेक्ट विद लॉर्ड राम एंड सीता, विष्णु एंड लॉर्ड विष्णु एंड गॉडेस Lakshmi. Okay, these four, I don't know why, but I'm being called to say this, so I am just saying it. Okay, but definitely there's a divine couple here. Okay, and with the feminine energy, you have probably completed most of your healing journey. You are on a different path, and your person is about to complete that level that you are at. Okay, so waiting has to be there, and that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.